माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी।
No, Mr. Ghulam Nabi. Let me dispose this formal business. Then I will allow you. Let me dispose this one. I will allow you also. No, please. I will allow you also. Let me dispose this. Then yes, then I will allow. Yeah, LOP, and then I will call yes. Only give me peace in the house and order in the house. I will allow you. No problem. Now papers to be. Now please. Okay. Papers to be laid on the table. Sri D.V. Sadananda Gowda.
To lay on the table of the House the paper mentioned against my name is at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Prakash Javadekar.
The House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Rao Indrajit Singh.
Deputy Chairman, sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business.
Dr. Jitendra Singh.
In permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 4 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
General Retired V.K. Singh.
Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Upendra Kushwaha.
महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 6 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balia.
Sir, I beg to lay papers mentions against my name in today's revised list of business at serial number 7 on the table of the House.
Colonel Rajavardhan Singh Rathore.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 8 of today's revised list of business.
Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey. No. Dr. Subhash Ramrao Bamre.
With your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy of the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 10 in today's revised list of business.
Now, message from the Lok Sabha Secretary General.
I beg to report that the Lok Sabha, at its sitting held on the 14th of December 2016, adopted a motion extending the time for presentation of the report of the Joint Committee of the Houses on the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement amendment, second bill 2015 up to the last day of the budget session 2017 of Parliament.
Report to the Committee of Government Assurances. Sri Sadish Chandra Misra.
Sir, I rise to present the 70th report in English and Hindi of the Committee on Government Assurances.
Report of the Department Later Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare, Professor Ram Gopal Yadav. Naye. Dr. Vikas Mahate.
I want to present a copy each of the following reports in English and Hindi of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare. 1. 96th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in 93rd report of the Committee on Demands for Grants 2016 and 17 of the Department of Health and Family Welfare. 2. 97th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in the 94th report of the Committee on Demands for Grants 16-17 of the Department of Health Research, and the 98th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in the 95th report of the Committee on Demands for Grants 2016-17 of the Ministry of Ayush.
Thank you. Reports of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Human Resource Development. Dr. Satyanarayana Jaitya.
अध्यक्ष जी, मैं महिला एवं बाल विकास मंत्रालय के अनुदान मांगों 2016-2017 मांग संख्या 97 के संबंध में 278वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों पर सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्यवाही संबंधित 242वां प्रतिवेदन और सर्व शिक्षा अभियान और मध्याह्न भोजन योजना का कार्यान्वयन विषय के संबंध में 243वां प्रतिवेदन प्रस्तुत करता हूँ।
Thank you. Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. Sri Mugul Roy.
Sir, I beg to present the 239th 248, 241st, and 242nd report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture listed against my name in today's revised list of business.
A report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture. Sri Janardhan Dwivedi.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से विभाग संबंधी स्थायी समिति के निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदनों की एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रख रहा हूँ। कृषि एवं किसान कल्याण मंत्रालय, सहकारिता और कल्याण विभाग की अनुदान मांगों के संबंध में 25वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों का पर सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई संबंधी 33वां प्रतिवेदन। दूसरा, कृषि एवं किसान कल्याण मंत्रालय, पशुपालन, डेयरी और मत्स्य पालन विभाग का चारा और पशु आहार विकास संबंधी उपमिशन के माध्यम से चारे की मांग और उपलब्धता के बीच अंतर को समाप्त किए जाने के लिए उठाए गए कदम विषय पर 34वां प्रतिवेदन।
Thank you. Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy. Sri Shamsher Singh Manhas. He's not there. Sri L.A. Ganeshan.
Manyavad Upasabhabati ji, I lay on the table a copy of each in English and Hindi of the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy 2016-17, Section 1, 2, 3 and 4.
Thank you. Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour. Sri Taban Sen Kumar. Nahi. Sri Nasir Ahmad Lawway.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 21st report on action taken by the government on the observation of the recommendation of the committee contained in their English report 16th Lok Sabha on demands for grants 1916-17 related to the Ministry of Textiles.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Rural Development. Sri Mahendra Singh Mahara.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के समक्ष यथा सूचीबद्ध ग्रामीण विकास संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 28वां, 29वां, 30वां और 31वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण में सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Report of the Railway Convention Committee. Sri T.K. Rangarajan.
I rise to submit the reports on the Railway Convention Committee against my name, both English and Hindi. 9th report, 16th Lok Sabha, subject of consultancy engineering, and 10th report, 16th Lok Sabha, on the subject of scrap diesel system and railway relating to the Ministry of Railways. I am laying on this board.
Statement of the Committee on the Welfare of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. Srimati Vansukh Sain.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table a copy of the statement, Hindi and English versions, showing final action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in the first report, 16 Lok Sabha, of the Committee of the Welfare and Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes on the NTPC Limited.
Now statements by ministers. Dr. Jitendra Singh.
उपसभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यवली में मेरे नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध वक्तव्य क्रम संख्या 1 को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Now Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balian.
Sir, I beg to lay the statement mentioned against my name in today's revised list of business at serial number 2 on the table of the House.
Sri Y.S. Chowdhury.
Respected sir, with your permission, I beg to make a statement regarding on the status of implementation by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Ministry of Science and Technology on the recommendations contained in the 280th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forests, mentioned against my name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business. The present status of implementation is as per the statement which is laid on the table of the House. Thank you.
Colonel Rajavardhan Singh Rathore.
So thank you. So I rise to lay a statement on the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 23rd report of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology.
One second,
Detailed
let it be
demands
over.
for
Let it be
grants
over.
2016-17.
What happened?
Then again at serial number 8 and the minister's statement at serial number 4, which is the minister is making now. So there is discrimination between the two ministers. One is referred to as retired general, one is referred to as colonel. Please educate us.
One is
So
okay.
I rise to lay a statement on the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 23rd report of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology on detailed demands for grants 2016-17 pertaining to the Ministry of Information Broadcasting mentioned against my name at serial number 4 of today's revised list of business.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Now, Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey, you can lay it. Yes, you can lay.
नव पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Okay, Gulen Nabi. See, I will allow all, but how silence? Listen, I will allow, then I will allow you. Yes, I remember. Yeah. Aapka I will allow. Now, that is possible if all of you keep quiet, I have no problem. As long as what you say is parliamentary, I will allow. I will allow here also. Yeah, sit down. But listen also, them also. Listen them. Yes. Yeah, Sri Ghulam Nabi Asad. Sri Ghulam Nabi Asad. Ghulam Nabi Asad. No, Sri Ghulam Nabi Asad. No. Don't display it. Don't display. No. It is not. Don't do it. No, don't do it. Say please. Don't do it. No. Please don't do it. I request the trustee benches, please go back. Don't display placards. These exhibits are not allowed. Against the rule, please go back. Please go back. No. Why? No, please. Treasury benches, please listen. You also know. Treasury benches, please listen. I have given the floor to the LOP. Now listen, it is the tradition of the House. LOP and LOH will be heard in silence. Let us first do that. Go back to your seat. Let us see what he is saying. Eh? No. I allowed it. Yeah, please. I allowed it.
We have no problem, sir.
Yeah.
We have no problem. I am saying we have no problem.
Yeah.
But what is the issue? The House must know now.
I don't know. I don't know what is the issue. I also, Honorable Minister, please, Honorable Minister Venkaiah ji, I also don't know what is the issue, but the convention of the House is, if LOP wants to speak, we will allow. So I am doing that. Same is the case for LOH also. So I don't know what is the issue.
सर एलओपी बोले हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन करप्शन के कुएं से
Have you given notice?
और कंकाल सामने आया है।
Yeah.
I have given notice under 273.
Okay.
कंकाल देश के सामने आ रहा है।
Your notice.
My notice is under 273.
No, in any case I allowed you.
क्या है उसकी
Yeah,
कहानी?
now in any case,
उसको भी बताया।
no.
Have you given notice?
In any case, no. In any case, I allowed you. Being LOP, you can speak. Allow him. No, yes. Your subject is okay. Sri Venkaiah ji. Yes, his subject is distress among farmers due to drought. His subject, yes, he has given notice. I didn't see it. Sorry. No, please. Venkaiah ji. No, please. Venkaiah ji, when you asked me the subject, in fact, I didn't read it. The subject was here. But however, even if the subject is not given, LOP will be called. But now the subject is with me. I am telling you, the subject is, now please, the subject is distress among farmers due to drought, floods and demonetization. Is it? That is the subject. 267, that is the subject you are
Sir,
given.
my 237 is about the Kisans.
That is what I said.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Distress among farmers. Farmers माने किसान.
Flight of farmers. Flight of farmers.
Flight of farmers. Let us listen. Flight of farmers. Let us listen to that. सुनिए. What is it?
Sir, this also should go on record that in this session, both in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, it is the ruling party which is disturbing the House. It is the ruling party which is not allowing the parliament to function. I think this should go on record. In both the houses, it is the ruling party which is not allowing it go on record. This is the first time in the history of India. This is first time in the history of India after independence that it is the ruling party which does not allow the House to function and which disturbs the proceedings of the House.
Arey Baba, I allowed. Why are you? See, Naqvi ji, I allowed the LOP. Please ask your members to go back.
सर ये ऑनरेबल मेंबर केवल ये कह रहे हैं कि करप्शन के कुएं से कांग्रेस का एक और कंकाल निकला है, तो उस कंकाल का डीएनए क्या है? कंकाल का डीएनए करप्शन है, कंकाल का डीएनए भ्रष्टाचार है, कंकाल का डीएनए जो है वो जनधन की लूट है, तो उस पर हम ये चर्चा चाहते हैं और हर दिन ये बात सामने आ रही है।
नोटिस, गिव नोटिस,
इसलिए जो है
गिव नोटिस,
इसका जवाब कौन देगा?
ओके, गिव
अपोजिशन जो है
ठीक है,
कांग्रेस
गिव
पार्टी
नोटिस
डिस्टर्ब कर रही है। सर सत्ता पक्ष नहीं, सत्ता पक्ष चर्चा चाहता है।
Naqvi ji, please give notice. We will discuss that. Please give notice. Yeah, please. Why? No. Please go back. Yes, LOP, please. LOP, please. What can I do? You speak.
I can't speak in the den. Sir, I have given a notice and I need to be heard.
Why?
I have given a notice.
I am requesting the ruling party members, go back to your seat. I am requesting the opposition members, take your seat, go back.
Ruling party disturbed.
No, please.
Ruling party parliament को चलने नहीं
You
देती.
go back. Left side, opposition, go back to the seat. Treasury members, please go back to the seat. Please go back. Don't do that, don't display cards. Yeah. Trinamool members, don't display cards. Please don't do that. सरकार इस हाउस को नहीं चलने दे रही है, ये बात ऑन स्पॉट आएगी। प्रधानमंत्री बाहर कह रहा है कि हमको बोलने नहीं दिया जा रहा। और दिल्ली के पार्टी के लोग हाउस नहीं चलने दे रहे। What can I do? Why should both sides create problem? I don't know. You give notice. We can discuss. What is the problem? You are very correct. What is the use of wasting my energy? Thank you. You are very correct. I think I will have to adjourn. Yes. See, Ghulam Nabi, you can speak. Why don't you speak?
ये किसान विरोधी सरकार है। मैंने जो नोटिस दिया है, इनकी करप्शन पर चर्चा करने के लिए नहीं दी थी। मैंने नोटिस दिया है किसानों का कर्जा माफ करने के लिए, और ये सरकार वादा करती है लोगों से, किसानों से कि हम कर्जा माफ करते, और आज ये केंद्रीय बीजेपी की सरकार किसान विरोधी सरकार है। ये और हमने जो क्या इस देश के किसानों का माफ होना चाहिए। उत्तर प्रदेश के किसानों ने मांग पत्र भरे थे। पंजाब के 24 लाख किसानों ने कर्जा माफ करने के लिए और फार्म भरे हैं, और वो बात यहाँ रूलिंग पार्टी नहीं करने देती है। किसान आज मर रहा है, उसकी सब्जी सड़ रही है, वो बीज बो नहीं रहा है, उसका धान की कीमत आधी हो गई है, आधी हो गई है।
Sri Yechuri, what is your problem?
और सरकार एनडीए की
I can't hear anything about I am simply because you
राज्यसभा
I can't hear anything.
दे रही है।
Yeah, I called you, you can't say. What can I do?
Otherwise take some action. This is unprecedented. Well,
party bench has done this. This is something that is not acceptable. And I can't hear Sri Achuri. I wanted to raise another important issue, which involves you also. There was a trivialization of the debate yesterday, including your name. I can't hear. I will allow you again. I will allow you later. I can't hear. But nothing can be heard. Nothing can be heard. Yes? Nothing can be heard. You only have the satisfaction. I can't hear.
The government is not allowing the House to run.
House is adjourned up to 12:00 hours. Up to 12:00 hours.